lunch tonight, and just want to give a hand out to you guys. A bunch of funny father fuckers. Cheesy, yeah. Get where there's plenty of them all night. Okay, so let's give it up for Lindsey Vaughn. Her career's really going downhill. There it is. We're almost there. So have you guys heard about these female suicide bombers? Have you heard about that? They're using females over there now? How fucking crazy is that shit? And I was thinking, you know, so they tell the guys you get all the virgins and whatnot. So I was thinking for the chicks, they probably tell them the exact same thing, except the virgins, they get 72 virgins. The virgins are the guys who, you know, the suicide bombers who already killed themselves, the guys that went before them. And the joke's on them, because that would be hell if you're a room full of 73 people who don't know how to fuck. There we go. One more thing from the Olympics and we'll move on. I love the Olympics. My favorite part of the Olympics is all the announcers that they have, because they're awful. They have to get so many people that they just, you know, pull up from wherever. And I'm a big hockey fan, so I was watching the women's team play Chinese team in the first round, and they were just the USA Hockey. We were just killing them. And the announcer goes, "There's 1 billion people in China. 160 of them are registered female hockey players, and these are their best 21." We'll work on that. But that's what they're going to say. I don't know. They're getting their ass kicked, if you were there. Okay. So here are some things that I just, I wonder about, because that's what I do a lot, just wonder about things. Are Asian communists orange? Give it a second. Can I be there and still be square? Do midgets have big days? There's none here, I checked. Do Irish people make each other mixtapes? Do you think diarrhea is McDonald's return policy? Here's some things that I wish. I wish I could talk to my penis, because he just looks like a funny guy. Just for the simple irony of it, I wish that Jim Crow had been colorblind. Read a history book, you'll get it. And finally, I wish that everyone understood that Arnold Schwarzenegger movies are all really documentaries. You're ready. Next up, Benny Flores. Benny,